वेलकम इन माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण ॲडव्हान्स डेटाबेसमध्ये काही स्ट्रिंग फंक्शन बघितले आणि ॲग्रिगेट फंक्शनही बघितले. आता आपण पाहणार आहोत काही मॅथ फंक्शन. मॅथ फंक्शन इन SQL आर यूज टू परफॉर्म मॅथमॅटिकल ऑपरेशन ऑन न्यूमेरिक डेटा. म्हणजे न्यूमेरिक डेटावरती मॅथमॅटिकल ऑपरेशन जे असतात ते परफॉर्म करण्यासाठी मॅथ फंक्शनचा उपयोग केला जातो. मग आता खाली काही एक्सप्लेनेशन आहेत काही मॅथ फंक्शनचे, ते आपण पाहूयात. ABS which returns the absolute value of a number, that mean it removes the sign of the number, which having the syntax ABS in bracket number. Math functions ABS comma cell floor mod power square root. Math function in SQL is used to perform, as you know very well, mathematical operation on numeric data, right? So once again I would like to repeat ABS which returns the absolute value of a number, which having the syntax select ABS in bracket minus 15 AS absolute value cell or ceiling which returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to the given number. I would like to repeat again the select ABS in bracket hyphen 15 AS absolute value. It is the syntax for the ABS. That means it returns the absolute value of a number. Ceiling which having the purpose which returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to the given number. Syntax cell in bracket number which having the example. You can also take that select cell 15.3 as a ceiling value which gives the output 16. Floor which returns the largest integer less than or equal to the given number. That means the rounds the number down to the nearest integer, which having the syntax floor number. Example select floor 15.8 as floor value. Mod which having the purpose return the remainder of a division operation. That means it calculate the modulus, which having the syntax mod of number 1 comma num2. Example select mod 10,3 as remainder, which gives the output 1 because 10 is divided by 3 which leaves a remainder of 1. Fifth power which having the purpose it returns the value of number raised to the power of another number, which having the syntax power in bracket base comma exponent. Power example, this function having the example select power 2,3 as a power value. Square root function which having the purpose which returns the square root of a number, having the syntax square root in bracket number. Example select square root 16 as a square root, which gives the output 4. Example for this combining uses, when we are going to find the absolute value, select ABS in bracket hyphen 25.7 as absolute value, which gives the output 25.7. When we are going to calculate the power of number, select power in bracket 5,2 as a power value, which gives the value 25. Modulus operation find the remainder of division operations, we select the mod 100,6 as a remainder, which gives the output 4. 100 which is divided by 6 leaves a remainder of 4. Square root select square root 81 as a square root, which gives the output 9. So some summary about that math function. Keep in mind that ABS which having the description, it returns the absolute value of a number cell which round a number up to the nearest integer. Floor which rounds a number down to the nearest integer. Mod which returns the remainder after dividing two numbers. Raise power which raise a number to the power of another number. Square root which returns the square root of a number. Another function which is a date and time functions which having add dates, date difference, day, month, year, hour and min. Here is the this function in SQLs are used to manipulate and extract specific parts of the date and time data. This function can help you to perform an operation like adding or subtracting time, comparing dates and extracting specific components of a date time values. Here are some explanation about that function. Add date the purpose of that functions which add a specified time interval, for example days to a date, which having the syntax add date in bracket date comma interval value unit, where unit could be day, month, year, etc. Implementation of this function in example which is as follows. The select add date, ही जी काही डेट असेल समजा 2025-5-1 अशी इंटरवल 10 days ॲज अ न्यू डेट विच हॅविंग द आउटपुट 2025-5-11 असं किंवा 11-5-2025 विच ॲड्स द 10 days टू द दॅट पर्टिक्युलर डेट difference which returns the number of days between two dates, which having the syntax date difference date comma date 2, it returns the date 1 date 2 meaning the difference in days from the date 2 to date 1, which having the example select date difference. आता ही डेट आहे 10-5-2025 आणि 1-5-2025 ॲज अ डे डिफरन्स विच गिव्स द आउटपुट 9 days, which this function which having the purpose extract the day of month from the given value, sorry date, which having the syntax day date. So select day 15-5-2025 as a day of month which gives the output 15. Month functions which extract the month from a given table, syntax month date. So the select month date 15-5-2025 as a month value which having the output 5 since May is the 5th month. Year which having the purpose extract the year from a given date, syntax year date. Example select year 15-5-25 as a year value which gives the output 2025. Hours जे आहेत which extract the hours part from a time or date time value which having the syntax hour in bracket time. Example select hours 15-5-25 with having time 2:30 as our value, output will be the 14. Min functions which extract the minutes part from a time or date time value, syntax minutes, time minutes, and which implemented example is the select minutes 15-5-2025 as the time interval 14:30, right, as a minute value which gives the output the 30. Sec which extract the second part from a time or a date time value which having the syntax second time. Example select second 15-5-2025 which having the time 2:30 as second value which gives the output 45 seconds part of the date time. Example of combined uses which adding days to a date to add 5 days to a specific date, right. So these are some example which is implemented in table. Select add date which having this 1-5-2025 interval 5 days ॲज अ न्यू डेट, त्याचा आउटपुट येईल 6-5-2025. अशा पद्धतीनं तुम्हाला इम्प्लिमेंट करून दाखवायचं आहे. सो द एक्स्ट्रॅक्टिंग द इयर मंथ अँड डे. आता एकदम असं हे जे सगळे इम्प्लिमेंट केले पहा, तिथं एक्झाम्पल आहे सिलेक्ट इयर, हे जे ह्याच्यामध्ये सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन ॲज 15-5-2025 ॲज अ इयर, मंथ 15-5-2025 मंथ, डे 30 डेट आहे पहा ॲज अ डे विच गिव्स द आउटपुट. इयर कोणता आहे 2025, मंथ 5वा आणि डे 15. सो विच एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट टाईम कॉम्पोनंट्स आर मिनिट्स अँड सेकंड. सिलेक्ट आर फ्रॉम दॅट डेट म्हणजे 15-5-2025 मधील म्हणजे 2:30 वाजताची. परत हे जे इन डिटेल आहे 2025 15-5च ते सगळं डिटेलमध्ये ॲज अ मिनिट्स ह्याच्यामधून आउटपुट तुम्हाला दिसणार आहे. सेकंडचं पण तेच. इट विल गिव्स द आउटपुट hour equal to 14 minutes 30 and second 45. इट विल डिस्प्ले व्हॅल्यू. जर तुम्ही कंपॅरिझन जर केलं तर फंक्शन्स आणि त्याचं डिस्क्रिप्शन आपण बघूया शॉर्टमध्ये. ॲड डेट म्हटलं की ॲड अ स्पेसिफाईड इंटरवल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल डेज अँड मंथ. डेट डिफरन्स म्हटलं की विच रिटर्न्स द डिफरन्स इन डे बिटवीन टू डेट्स. डे फंक्शन विच एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट द डे ऑफ द मंथ फ्रॉम अ डेट. मंथ विच एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट द मंथ फ्रॉम अ डेट. इयर विच एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट द इयर फ्रॉम अ डेट. Hours which extract the hour from date time, and the mean which extract the minutes from a date time. Second which extract the second from a date time. So thank you so much for joining my today's lecture. Have a nice day to all. Thank you.